Okay, people, this is going to be our third video about the Trade Netram app. I'm going to talk about the research engine here, which is available in Trade Netram, and we will discuss each and every tab here and what it does. The first thing I'm going to talk about is the earnings report. Okay, so this will be useful in the peak earnings season right now in the July. This is the peak earnings season for Q1 FY27. So what it will, let me just confirm it is recording. Yeah, okay, it is recording. So what it does is, as soon as a company posts their results to BSE or NSE, they will file an exchange report, and within 60 seconds of the filing, we will be extracting the reports and give you the consolidated information about their earnings. So the AI will summarize all the information, okay, and give you the ratings if the results are good or excellent. You can see there are excellent results from a few companies, and good, you can see the good results companies and everything, right? So this is an AI rating. Maybe you can even double check with the exact filing report whether it is from the BSE or NSE, because as soon as we fetch the results from here, we will be posting in the Telegram itself. Okay, this is the public Telegram group. You can join, and you can see all the earnings report card section here, and along with the chart and official filings report as well. Okay, you can go there and check it out, like how if they're accurate or not. And from my thorough testing, these are very accurate results. After this post, I will be going into Twitter and wait for the Redbox India or maybe other news channel to post the results over there. So I'm comparing all the results with my card. These are the very accurate results. You can even check in the chat GPT. Just give you this give her this card. Okay, this give a screenshot and as well as the official filing report, and ask ChatGPT to tell you how accurate these results. Okay, these are very accurate, guys. So you will be able to build the positions based on these ratings. Okay, in the live market or even before tomorrow, even after the live market, when the market opens tomorrow, you can build your positions based on that. Okay, it also give you a brief information, like how does this is looking, right? What is the interest rate, net NII year on year, and if it is NBFC or bank, it will give you that related information. If it is a normal company, it will give you that related information. If the sales are declining, revenues you know shrinking, all that information you can see here. So apart from that, okay, today there are a lot of results have been posted, and tomorrow an automatic thing happens, which is this one. Okay, this is an earnings opportunities tab. It will give you the obviously the positive negatives, which we are already seen over there, but it will also tell you how much that specific stock has been moved from the earnings report, and is it bad or good, and is there any opportunity for you to build the position. Okay, it will give you the in a very brief information here, and I'm planning to put this on even on the Telegram also. Every morning you will get this report automatically. So if you have not joined the Telegram, go please and join the Telegram. That reporting section is very it is free for everyone, so you can go and check it out. Okay, so that's about the earning session. This is the fastest earning report that you can find anywhere on this Indian stock market, guys. You can go and check it out. And the other thing is earnings calendar. This is basic information, like it will show what companies are going to post their earnings in the upcoming days or months. I think there is something wrong with this section. I'll take a look at this one later. Yeah, it is taking some time to load. Yeah, you can see all the stocks which are listed for each and every day. You can see, and add them into your watch list manually. Maybe if there is a stock which is listed in here in your portfolio, then you can maybe just look for it. Okay, look for that specific stock and add them into your watch list and do. Okay, coming back to the earnings opportunities here, you might be seeing why there is where is this one? Okay, you might be wondering like why this date did not yet come, right? So this, sorry, this was yesterday's report. Okay, I was wrong. Ignore that part, guys. uh, yeah, it consolidated all the yesterday's results and giving you an opportunity list here. So for today's all the stocks reported results today, you will get the details tomorrow as well. Okay. And earnings calendar, we discussed about that one. And the fourth thing is knowledge guide. This is about each and every section available in this tool. It will give you the brief information, what is that, how to read it, and what data it is displaying, right? I strongly, even if you are watching the videos, after that just go to this knowledge guide and see each and every section and understand it briefly, so that you will memorize it, like what to look at for each and every section. Okay. And here comes the last part, which is AI growth research. And if you are into an investing or a swing trader, who, let me make a separate video about this one. This is not a small topic. Let me close this one and we'll make a separate video.